Think your AI tool is compliant in California? It might be illegal in Illinois. As federal lawmakers stall, states are racing ahead, creating a chaotic web of conflicting AI laws across the U.S. From hiring rules to biometric privacy and deepfake bans, your company might already be at risk. Here's what you need to know before your next product launch. The U.S. still lacks a cohesive federal AI law, leaving companies to navigate a rapidly growing and inconsistent patchwork of state-level regulations, with no national baseline for compliance. States are aggressively filling the regulatory vacuum, enacting their own AI laws across areas like employment, consumer protection, and data privacy, often leading to contradictory obligations for businesses. Operating across multiple states creates serious compliance complexity, as AI tools legally deployed in one jurisdiction may violate laws just across the state line, posing significant legal and operational risks. AI regulation in employment and hiring is currently the most developed area, with states seeking to eliminate algorithmic bias and enforce transparency when automated systems impact candidate evaluation. Illinois has emerged as a national leader in AI employment laws, with HB 3773 requiring companies to disclose AI use and ensure that systems do not result in discriminatory outcomes, expanding on its earlier video interview regulations. New York City has implemented a first-of-its-kind bias audit requirement, mandating annual reviews of AI hiring systems and public disclosures to ensure fairness and prevent unlawful discrimination. California continues to push for algorithm accountability legislation, despite facing repeated setbacks in its legislature. It remains a key jurisdiction for privacy and tech regulation leadership. Vermont has explored legislation to regulate AI use in health-related employment decisions. Although recent proposals have stalled, the initiative indicates persistent regulatory interest. Biometric data, such as facial recognition and voice prints, is now a major AI privacy battleground due to its permanence and sensitivity when compromised. Illinois' Biometric Information Privacy Act, BIPA, remains the strictest in the country, enabling private lawsuits and driving billion-dollar settlements that raise the stakes for non-compliance. Other states like Texas, Maine, and Washington are also regulating biometrics, but their enforcement models vary, some relying on attorney general actions rather than private lawsuits. Deepfake and synthetic media laws are emerging in response to growing concerns, especially regarding election integrity, online harassment, and impersonation. Minnesota's deepfake law is already facing First Amendment challenges, making it a test case that could define constitutional boundaries for synthetic media regulation in the U.S. California and Tennessee have taken broader approaches, banning certain election-related deepfakes and protecting individuals' voice likeness rights, particularly in the entertainment and creator economies. Colorado recently passed the most comprehensive AI consumer protection law, SB 205, which mandates bias audits and impact assessments for high-risk AI systems, potentially becoming a model for other states. Connecticut is taking a phased, pragmatic approach to AI regulation, starting with government oversight and planning to gradually expand rules to private sector entities. Several states, including Virginia, Texas, and Pennsylvania, have established AI task forces or commissions, building institutional expertise that will likely shape future legislative efforts. Businesses must now treat AI compliance as a core legal and operational function, not a secondary issue, especially when deploying consumer-facing or high-risk applications. Proactive measures such as bias testing, transparency documentation, and user disclosures are becoming essential tools for mitigating risk and maintaining public trust. In practice, the strictest state laws are creating de facto national standards, meaning that companies aiming to scale nationally must often design their systems to comply with the most demanding local regulations.